Welcome back to Carla's Kitchen CC. Yes guys, so I'm going to be making some fried chicken. Yes, so this one is for all the fried chicken lovers. And if it's your first time here on this channel, please remember to subscribe to the channel, touch that notification bell so you won't miss out on my next upload. Yes guys, so let's get into it. I'm going to show you the chicken. Of course, I already went ahead and cleaned the chicken and seasoned the chicken just to save some time, but I'm going to show you what the seasoned chicken is looking like. Here you have it guys, and this is a one whole chicken, and guys, you can use whatever season of your choice. Yes guys, let's get into it. Okay guys, so I have my seasoned flour here in the spot. I went ahead and I seasoned up my flour, so I'm going to go ahead and put the chicken in the flour, just like so. I'm going to coat the chicken with the flour. Here I'm pouring oil in the pot, and I'm putting enough oil in here because I'm going to deep fry this chicken. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the chicken in the pot because the oil is ready. So I'm going to shake off the excessive flour from the chicken. Just like that. And look at the detail guys. Look at the flakes already. Pepper, thyme, and then seaweed. I'm going to go ahead and clean my pot. How beautiful the chicken is looking guys. Golden brown. Guys, if you like this video as yet, go ahead and like the video, share the video out, drop me some comments. Look at that guys. Look at the crunch. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, it's about that time, guys, to remove these chicken from the pot. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these ones out. Go ahead and strain the oil off and then fry the second batch of chicken. Reason being, all these that shred from the chicken, if you don't strain the oil and you start frying again, then the chicken will get burned. Okay? Chicken at its best. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here to the channel. And thanks to all my supporters. Thank you guys for your support. And I welcome all my new subscribers. So beautiful, guys. Look at this fried chicken. So okay, guys, here we have it. Juicy, delicious fried chicken, and I pair it with some potato wedges and some fried green plantain. So I'm going to taste a piece of the chicken for you and tell you how the chicken is tasting. And this is just a little sauce I made with just mayonnaise and ketchup right here. Okay, so let's dig in. Look at it. Let's dig in.
Well seasoned, guys. The season reach to the bone. Chicken is juicy, crispy on the outside. The flavor is bursting up in here. Very tasty. So good. Potato wedges. So nice, guys. It's very soft on the inside. Tastes buttery, very nice and crispy on the outside. Wow. So crunchy. Hot. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Put God first in everything that you do. Be kind to yourselves, so you would know how to show kindness to others. What good? Make sure you like the video. And if it's your first time here, yes, I know I said it already and I'm saying it again. Subscribe to the channel. Get those numbers up. And don't forget to touch the notification bell so you will not miss out on my next upload. Thank you so much for watching again, guys. Take care, and I'll see you in another one. Bye.
Carla's Kitchen CC, yeah. You hear that? What me say? Run go subscribe to Carla's Kitchen CC. Yeah, yeah, yeah.